all the tools for the job. Gonna swap out the fuel pump on the bus. We just had a gravity feeding into the carburetor. It works halfway decent, but I want to make it a little more reliable for when they do the film production. So, gonna be doing that today. The old All right, we'll start with that. I forgot my needle nose.
What'd you forget?
My needle nose pliers.
Why do you need those?
The rod falls down. The fuel pump rod falls down off the cam, and then you can't get the fuel pump back in. I can try and push it up with maybe a screwdriver will work. I'll be right back.
So how many parts stores did you go to find the fuel pump?
Went to 4 different part stores before I found one in stock. Trusty old Napa is the one who had it in stock. It's not gonna work. Motor mount's in the way. Need a different connector. So off to the part store we go again.
And what is the connector that's not fitting?
Motor mount. See how they're on the front mounts? Right here. The fuel pump dumps right into the mount on this side underneath the radiator hose. So typically on a small block Chevy, that would be fine. You could run it up just like that, right to the carb. But with that mount in the way, this pump does not rotate, so we are at a standstill. So the problem with the fuel pump I'm running into is the clocking. This is the original fuel pump. Got that good gas in it. So the fuel pump I put on is clocked here. Your typical 70s and 80s small block Chevy. This fuel pump is over here, so that's why nothing lines up down here. So I might be forced to go find a fuel pump I can clock, unless I can come up with a fitting that I can route that 90 degrees and go back with our fuel line plan I had. So we'll be off to probably Tractor Supply is where we're gonna go. See what they have to offer, because I need a bolt too. No luck there, and no luck here. Close, but no cigar. We may have a winner. Always nice to have some spare junk around. So we may have us a winner here. Let's go try it out. I found a 90 and some spare stuff I had. We'll just have to rubber hose it. So then we'll have to see if I got enough rubber hose. Different thread. There's 2 big, 1, 2.
Slightly bigger.
No go. Small stuff also. Can't even rob a parts car.
So you think we got all the pieces we needed from the parts store yesterday?
Yeah, I think we got modified a fitting so we can come a 90 right off the fuel pump. Got some Teflon tape, some hoses, some line, so we should be able to get it going. Teflon tape. That's why it came apart. That was the end of the roll. Rest on this other side. Gotta roll it with how you're tightening so the tape doesn't come off as you're threading it in. Very confined quarters makes it difficult. Go under the bus. Found an old piece of hose and some more aluminum line to hook the carburetor to the fuel pump. And then we should be able to fire this thing up.
So what do you think?
It should work. We have our temporary fuel system, fuel pump, so now it'll run a little better. Might have to put an alternator on it. We'll see, we get a voltmeter and see if the battery charges. But other than that, I guess grab the keys and start it up. Keep going. for now. It runs. We've got a temporary tank underneath the hood. It's somewhat plumbed in with some aluminum fuel line and some hose, so we should be good. So it'll be able to be driven around for the movie for now until we go through our deep overhaul.
Yeah.
All right.
So, yeah, this will be exciting.